This video is a 15-minute session of the drone exercise with all 12 notes, designed to help you recognize chromatic notes quickly and intuitively. Before we begin, just a quick note. This exercise is only a small part of our complete method. Our full step-by-step program includes over 60 exercises, each with multiple difficulty levels, designed to help you progress gradually. You can learn more about it through the link in the description. For most of you, this particular exercise might feel challenging, and that's completely normal. There are more foundational exercises you should master first, and we'll link to those at the end of this video. But remember, the most important thing is approaching the exercise with the right thinking strategy. After teaching this method to over 2,500 musicians and seeing it used in top universities around the world, I can tell you the most important thing is not to think in intervals. Instead, use either the major or minor scale as a reference. Sing the scale from the note you hear up or down until you reach the tonic, which is being played continuously by the drone. The chromatic notes will make it harder to keep your internal sense of the key stable, which is why this exercise is more advanced. You'll probably notice yourself unintentionally switching from singing the major scale to the minor scale at times, or vice versa. That's a natural reaction to the influence of the non-diatonic notes, and it's the #1 issue to fix first. If you want a deeper explanation of why this thinking strategy works while interval thinking doesn't, I've made a full video breaking it all down, with practical examples of how to apply it in this specific exercise. I'll share the link at the end of this practice session. But for now, let's dive in and start building your ear. Don't forget to like and subscribe before we do. That was 4. You heard flat 2. Flat 7. Five. You heard 6. Flat 3. You heard flat 5. One. That was 2. Seven. That was flat 6. You heard 1. Four. You heard 3. Two. That was flat 5. Flat 7. You heard 5. You heard flat 3. You heard 6. That was 2. Flat 5. One. You heard flat 7. You heard 5. That was 3. You heard flat 6. Four. Flat 3. Seven. You heard 5. You heard flat 5. That was 1. Six. Two. That was flat 7. Flat 3. Four. You heard flat 6. Three. You heard 1. That was 4. You heard 5. That was flat 7. You heard 6. Flat 2. That was flat 5. You heard 3. Two. 7. Flat 6. You heard flat 3. You heard 1. That was 4. You heard 2. That was flat 7. You heard 6. Five. Three. Flat 5. You heard flat 2. 1. Flat 3. You heard flat 6. That was 4. Five. That was flat 7. 7. You heard 2. 6. You heard flat 5. You heard 3. Flat 6. One. You heard 5. Flat 3. You heard 2. 4. You heard 7. That was flat 7. That was 6. You heard flat 2. Flat 5. You heard 3. That was 5. You heard flat 7. That was 4. You heard 1. You heard flat 6. Two. That was flat 3. Flat 7. Alright, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. If you want to dive deeper, click the link in the description to join our free workshop. You'll discover science-based exercises and understand which to practice first, based on your current level. Plus, you'll learn the effective thinking strategies for recognizing notes and chords by ear intuitively. Not ready for that yet? No problem. Check out this other video where I explain the exact thinking strategy to adopt when practicing the drone exercise, and why thinking in intervals actually prevents you from improving, even when it comes to recognizing notes outside the key. It's one of our most popular videos, and people love it. I'm confident you will too.